Sicon Material and Resource Planning, MRP, is designed for businesses needing to streamline their decision-making processes and simplify stock planning. Used in conjunction with Sicon Works Order Processing, WOP, there are two sides to the MRP solution. The first relates to stock movements and the second rough cut capacity planning. From a stock perspective, demand is taken from a number of sources, including existing sales and purchase orders, forecast sales orders, free stock and minimum stock levels. Running material planning generates a list of suggestions for both what you need to order and what you need to make. These can then create purchase orders, kits or works orders as required. Rough cut capacity planning provides a number of options for the user to view a daily, weekly schedule of labour and machine capacity based on existing live works orders. These graphical views with a drag and drop interface enable users to adjust the production plan by moving works orders and sub-assemblies in real time. Key features. Fully integrated with Sage 200. Sicon MRP is written within the Sage 200 development environment using the Sage business objects to control the transaction postings and utilising the latest Microsoft technologies for user interface. Real-time data availability. Real-time data access ensures Sage 200 information is up to date and all in one place, meaning you don't need to access multiple data systems to see a clear view of the business. Streamline processes. Sicon MRP can be used in conjunction with Sicon approvals to approve suggested purchase orders and for absence requests to impact rough cut capacity availability. Purchase of appropriate Sicon approvals modules and associated users is required. Key benefits. Create suggested works orders and suggested purchase orders to replenish stock shortages now and planned into the future. Calculate the next possible delivery date from within the sales order for manufactured items based on capacities and material availability. Create availabilities for labour and machine resources taking into account shutdown, maintenance periods and holiday. Purchase order suggestions are driven by supplier lead time, usual and minimum order quantities. Simple import from Microsoft Excel for sales order forecast. Daily works order list showing today's, tomorrow's and overdue workload. Create production teams that emulate your business process or create a routing process per BOM stock item. Link BOM cost items to production teams. Graphical plan shows labour and machine availability with functionality to amend works order dates to smooth overloads. This is just a sample of the functionality that's available. For more information, please refer to our website www.sicon.co.uk.